हाय यू ब्यूटीफुल पीपल। सब मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैम स्ट्रेस बहुत है, तो मैं क्या कहती हूँ, अच्छी बात है। मैम क्यों अच्छी बात है? भाई स्ट्रेस जो है वो ना हो तो देर इज नो ड्राइव टू वर्क टूवर्ड्स परफेक्शन. Always understand that you should have stress, but there are levels of stress. So if you don't have stress at all, that means you are not doing anything. There is no drive, there is no force that will ask you to perform. So you should have stress, but in a level where it does not distress you. वो स्ट्रेस का लेवल उतना ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ना चाहिए कि आपको डिस्ट्रेस हो जाए. बिकॉज सी, स्ट्रेस इज गुड, it is a driving force for performance, the result, and success. But distress is, it is working in a reverse order, that is taking a toll on your health, and then it is affecting the vital organs in a longer period of time. Stress अच्छा है, but distress अच्छा नहीं है. So you have to be mindful that where to take that stress and to which length and how far you need to drive that stress. और ये आपके हाथ में है. For that, what you have to do, you have to practice mindfulness. Your mind should always be aware that yes, this is the stress for me, and it is a happy stress, it is a good stress, it is a stress which leads towards the performance and perfection towards the end of the day, where I am reckoned with success. Correct. But then that stress should not distress me and take a toll on me, because then it is going to affect my health. And mind you, and let me tell all of you, who is a leader? A leader is a one with a healthy body that resides in a healthy mind. So first, the healthy body. So distress is going to affect your body, which in a longer run will affect your performance. Correct. And then there is one more stress which is called eustress. And what is that eustress? It comes in relation to the post, the position, or the degree that you have. That is eustress. And that eustress is again a very happy stress. वो एक अच्छा वाला stress है, because with the crown that you wear comes the responsibilities, and that responsibility leads to that stress, and you are aware of that stress because you're wearing that crown. So either you take it or you just say that you don't want that crown. Choice is yours. But take little bit of stress. मैं कहती हूँ stress लो, because stress नहीं लोगे तो आप successful नहीं होगी. So S square is very important. Thank you. Follow it.